Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. Today I want to demonstrate a new experiment that how negative volts or ground travel with the water. So let me show you this is the pipe which I am using for this experiment, and this pipe is going here. So you can see this is the metal pipe which is attached with this tank, and this tank is on the top, and the pipe is attached with the building, and which is also gaining ground from the building as well. Similarly, you can see the metal power pipe is going on here. This is the metal pipe, and it is also attached with the floor, so the ground is available due to attachment of this pipe with the ground and the building. So now let me show you the relay. This is the relay which I have used in many videos for many experiments and for many projects, and this is a bulb which I am using through this relay. If relay will be on, this bulb will be turned on. You can use this relay for heavy duty motor, for a building, for a home, for any kind of super high volt which is under the 120 amperes, because this relay is based on 120 amperes and 220 volts. So now let me show you. This red wire is attached with the relay, and the positive I have provided from here. If I can show you the positive volts, I think now you can see a dim one, but so I hope you can see it. You would see it. So now let me fix it, and okay, now the positive wire is provided to this relay coil, where the 220 volts would be given to this relay, and this relay will turn on, and it will shift the volts, or it will switch this bulb. So if I put the positive wire in the ocean will restrict the positive volts just in the wire. It will not spread in the whole ocean. So now let me show you the experiment, and now I want to show you this tab is having no electricity. As you can see, I am touching the wall as well, and you can see there is no shock. So now I want to turn it on. So guys, you can see if I check the electricity in this bucket, it will show the volts. I hope you can see it. You can see this is the electricity in the bucket because of this brown wire. And now I want to connect this white wire. As you can see, this is the white wire with this tab. The relay will be turned on because negative is available in this. So you can see so let me fix it, and then here I want to fix it, this wire, then you will see properly. You can see this is the whole wire which is attached with this tab, and if I provide the negative volts to the water, here it will be turn on the relay and the bulb as well as, or any kind of load you can use it. This experiment is for those people who want to make a circuit when the time water is coming. Suppose if in Pakistan and India and in Bangladesh, the timing of water is specified. So when water come and you are not at home, and this system can help you to turn it on the motor by its own self or automatically. And similarly, if the water go back or shut down, the motor will be turned off automatically. So let me show you how is it works. Suppose if the water is coming and it will touch this wire, the motor will be turned on like this. You can see This is the whole mechanism. You can see this is the function of relay. You can use these relays in many projects, and one of this project is that you can use it for the according to the water availability. If the water is available, and it will turn on the motor like this. So for this purpose, you can make a tiny hole in this bucket. When the water go back or stopped, the tiny hole will be decrease the water, and this wire will be disconnected from the water, and the motor will be turned off. Suppose if the water is here and I am getting out or bring it out the wire, as the water is getting back or decreasing, when the wire is separated from the water, it will be turned off. So guys, the logic behind the videos which I have made, why the electric geyser do not shock us and why the bucket shock us, you can see the positive volts is available or traveling in the water because of this wire. And when I put this wire with attached with the tab, because it has a ground traveling with this metal pipe, and which is attached with the building and the main tank. So if I will dip it in the water, the negative volt will be, the positive volt will be drain out from the water. So now let me show you how is it work. You can see positive indicator in the tester, and now there is no indicator. There is available now. You can see, I hope. There is no volts now. If I get out the wire of ground, it will show the positive volts. You can see. That's why I am saying if you attach the geyser with the pipe, it will turn it off. It will restrict the volts, positive volts, just inside the wire of geyser. It will not travel with the water. So this is the whole mechanism. I hope you would like this video, and please subscribe my channel and like it. And if you have any sort of question regarding these projects, so please ask me or comment me. I will try my level best to reply you according to my level of learning. So bye bye for now.